Alright, so welcome back, generals, to another Let's Fix the Generals at 0 to make the best game ever. Okay, last video, so we were fighting here with these data structures. I was thinking maybe we should change this from index to actual pointer. I don't know. I don't know. Okay, so we had this. Let's look at this one now. So here we pass matches. Function system. Problem is that our data comes in so many flavors. Right. I mean, the easiest would be we just pass named functions to disassemble and build function source lines. But then it does extra work. It also then works on things that we don't need, right? So, yeah. It would be good to really just work on the essentials. Don't do too much work, but still be flexible. But also not too overly complicated from the implementation. But that's hard to juggle. We need it to be flexible but simple, but these things contradict each other. To be flexible, it needs more complexity in ways. So, it's not getting easier. It's not getting easier. PDB reader pair. Continue. Build function source. Okay, how about we add a function static void build bundled function source lines bundled functions. Yeah. And then we also pass this here. Then we give it a PDB reader. Const PDB reader. And so I guess we just pass this. Let's see. So we would basically take this PB reader, and PDP sources, function index, function info, function name, index map finds, and name functions. Name functions. Named function. Named function. Put it named. Named. Dot function set source file. Okay, so that is simple enough. Then we can also do another here. Build bundled function. Maybe we call this build source lines for bundled functions. Then we do build source lines for functions. Then we do a span. Can we do span though? We need a search. I mean, realistically, in the UI, we will only either disassemble a single function that we click. Well, selection. Okay, can we use span for build source lines or not? That's a good question. Well, Well, it's difficult because we don't have an association here. Yeah. Well, this is not really bundled function, isn't it? The problem is we need to go over all. Yeah. Since we iterate, basically to do it the other way around, we would need to have a lookup in our PDB reader to find source files. No, to find that's shit. PDB reader, get source files. The data we have in our PDB reader doesn't really work for this kind of lookup. Yeah. Yeah, so with data we currently get from PDB reader, there's no other way than doing it this way right now. So build functions, build function source lines. Yeah. Let's remove this. PDB reader. If PDB reader is not null, then take this. Named functions. Hold on. Size t, I equals 0, I smaller. This dot size plus plus I pair I PDB reader named functions pair named functions pair functions pair named functions named function map t const map named not const PDB reader dereference. Okay, and then I guess we can create a function named function pair functions pair map pair pair PDB reader pair oh boy. Okay, and then we take this and we put that here. PDB reader pair size name functions what's the problem? Okay, I don't know what the problem is. I see the problem. There we go. Okay, and then we can call this here what was it? Build function source lines. And we pass named functions pair, this, and PDB pair, PDB reader pair. Okay. No. What's the problem? Okay. Run comparison. Currently takes this function pair. Oh, I just realized. Oh no, it's a reference. Yeah, this should be easy fix though. Function pair. using function pair. Maybe we put that here in runner where the others are. Here. Function pair. Function. But it's probably the wrong place. Asm Matcher types. Runner. Executable. How about, where is it? Runner, here. How about we take these types, and we put them PP reader executable. Executable types, comment types, function types, comment types. I would say for now, let's put them here. Namespace, unassemblize. Class, executable, class that, class that. Okay. Asm Matcher. Then we do here function pair, run comparison, function pair, do function pair here, this, there we go. Okay. Okay, that's fixed. And runner. Okay, build comparison records. Match function. Records. Matches. Build comparison records. Okay, I wonder if we should put here also a function pair named no. Maybe we put maybe we should move it all into a class that has these things bundled. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, I think that would be a good idea. Yeah. Yeah. How about how about we make this a unique pointer? std vector unique pointer named function. And then we have stable pointers, and then we use here pointer instead of index, and here as well. Then it will be easier to reference these things and not always go through this thing. Maybe. Because right now here to have to pass a lot of things. Matches. Yeah, I mean, we can try. So essentially we would have a using named function ptr std unique ptr named function ptr. Then here we put named function pointer. The only downside of this is then we can't pass it as const. No, that's the downside. Let's continue first with what we have. Yeah. Let's give this another thought. Yeah, okay. Good. So runner. So build comparison records. Matched function. Here we need to pass named functions pair. Const pair. Matched functions. Const. Oh boy. Build comparison records, named function. For size t I 0 I smaller, name function pair size plus plus. No, that doesn't make sense. For matched const matched. No, it's not matched. It's not const. Okay, matched. Oh boy. Um, tier match named functions matched function Okay, actually that's wrong, isn't it? Matched function functions pair matched function comparison, run comparison, matched function dot named index pair what does this take? Function pair function pair function pair function pair 0 equals named function pair 0 0 0 Jesus Christ. Function. Okay, that's a little bit hard to read. We had this before somewhere. Let me see here. Maybe function. Maybe we should have a helper function to convert this. Function pair. We should probably rename this to const pair. Const executable pair const pdb reader pair, const function pair, to const function pair, to const function pair. Okay, and that takes these matched functions, oops, so we pass this matched, and return well, this is let's rename this to const named functions pair where are we? Here. Const function pair to const 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 let's do const function pair 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 0 that pair 1 is that return pair. Okay, and then we do the same for the non-const version, named function pair matched function matched function pair why is this not recognized? Oh. Function pair pair. What's the problem here? I don't see it. Ah, this. Okay. Good. Asm Matcher types. Then let's take these two helper functions and put them here as inline. Inline. Okay, okay. Make it super compact. Okay. And then go back to runner. And here we put name functions pair to function pair Jesus. Name function pair matched. Why is this not found? Oh, to function pair. Okay, and that would be function pair, and that will be functions 0, 1, no, 0, 1, 1, and we can delete this. Okay, now we got some compile errors here. Okay. So function pair to const function pair, and then we give it named function pair and matched function. And then we do move this. This function pair here. Okay, that works. Function pair const. And then we do matched function matched, and then build comparison. Matched. Yeah, okay. This probably should be singular. Oh, no, it also changed this. That's stupid. Okay, and then here call build comparison records matched this and look ahead limit. And then that's it. Oof. Okay, let's see here, caller, give it matched functions and then named functions pair, which is, oh, this will mismatch, doesn't it? Yeah, this mismatches. Yeah. Name functions pair. Let's add another inline function here. Here inline const name function pair to const named function pair, and we give it this pair, return pair const pair 0 equals pair. Actually, can we 0 1 1 pair const pair. Okay. Build comparison records named function pair. No. Two. Can do is here const to const maybe we rename it to const, maybe we just pass to const here, remove. Why is this erroring? Records, plural. There we go. Okay, that works. Next, matched functions. Okay, here we need to pass const named functions. Named functions. Then remove this. For some reason it doesn't let me. This const named functions. Named functions. Remove that. Okay. So matched function. Okay, so now this is a place where it jumps from this to this and then to this. Ugh. It's a bit complicated. The way we have laid out the data is madness. It's so complicated. It's not much, but it's so complicated. Matched functions. Okay, I think matched. Okay, how about we rename this to matched named functions, and this is unmatched named functions, and then we create another vector std vector index t, and we call it matched functions, and this one will link to this. So let's see where this is written to. Here. So we have bundle dot matched functions dot resize matched counts. Then bundle, no. Then here bundle matched functions I equals I. Yeah. Matched functions I. Yeah, I think that's correct. Functions. Okay. But what about this one then? Here. Bundle dot matched functions dot push back I think it's named functions. Let's give this a name. Index t named index here. Named functions named index pushback named index dot matched index. And this one here is correct, yeah. Okay, so this way we now have also links from the bundles to both, to the matched container and also to the named container. Okay, so we have roundhouse links, gives us more flexibility. Good. Then here named. Oh, hold on. We do need to send const matched functions. Okay, then actually we don't need named functions, just matched functions as it was, right? Maybe. Probably need both, guess. Probably need both. Named functions. Oh. I think this requires named functions pair, no? Named functions pair. Const. Named functions pair. Name functions pair. Matched functions. Matched functions. Okay, named functions pair. Named functions pair. No. Matched functions. Matched functions. Matched. Named functions pair 0. To consts function pair. Named function pair matched const function pair function pair it just contains function. Okay, function pair. Zero. One. Okay. Matched functions. Matched functions. Function pair. This and this. Okay. Okay. Yeah. And here named functions pair to consts. Jesus Christ. Maybe we should make it a consts named functions pair consts named functions pair the complexity of this code is getting out of hand. Okay, but it looks like we got rid of all compile errors. Yeah, let's see if it compiles. No, it does not. Okay, what is wrong? Asm Matcher types. Oh. Okay, something is unknown here. This one, where is this declared? Oh, it's declared later, I see. To const. So I guess we just put these functions to the bottom here. Can we it's pretty damn hard to look at this stuff. We could I don't know if it's worth it, but we could initialize it like so. Then we could put it like so. Yeah. How about so? So a lot less code. Maybe that's good. Yeah. It's not particularly easy to look at, but it gets the job done. Yeah. Okay. I guess here we can do the same. Just do a pair 0, pair 1, return, done. Okay. Unmatched functions. Yeah, let's remove this for now. So we have now named functions. Named functions. I do wonder. Yeah, let's remove the stuff first. To do. I do wonder. Runner. I wonder if we should put these also into array to begin with. So let's create more helper functions here. To const inline to named function pair. Std array named functions to named functions. Then we need a const named functions pair. Why don't we make a generic thing? Util template type name T type name container type name container. I think that's a good task for our friends, ChatGPT. Can you write a template function that can you write a C++ template function that can turn a container type to container type with elements to a container type with pointer elements, so that the new that can create a container type with elements that can convert, that can create a container, can create a new container type with pointers to elements of an man. Can you write a C++ template function that can create a new container type with pointers to can create a new container with pointers to elements of another container, pointers to elements of another container. Let's see. Create pointer container. No. No. I don't like this. The pointer should be a raw pointer, and the output container should be the input container type. Let's see what he says now. Input container value type, okay, yeah. Pointer type, okay. Outputs, insert. Oof. Insert. New. What the hell? No, that's not right. This is not quite right. It should not allocate, but points to the elements of the input container. Let's see what it says now. Yeah, elements, yeah. Insert. Yeah. Okay, I guess that's auto. Yeah, looks like this could work. Let's see. Two pointer container type container. To const pointer container. Value type, pointer type. Well, why don't you just use container then here? And why is this not container then? Oh, but that can't be. Okay, but this is wrong, isn't it? Container. Use the same container type for the output. Huh? How will this compile? Will this even compile? The pointer container cannot be equal container, no? Let's see what it says now. Yeah, conditional. Is what the hell is that? Abomination. I also don't know how to template it. How do you template this? Okay, but our current use case is only with std array. So what we can do is templates type name t. Then we say std array t to pointer array, and then we give it t pointer array. We do consts. No, let's do one more const. We do array, and then this will hold on. Oh, that's actually a good question. There probably is a way to pointer array. Let's ask ChatGPT. How can we implement this functionality for this template declaration? std array, this, yeah. Let's see what he comes up with. Let's see. Right, we need a size. And yeah. Okay, that's fair. That's fair. Pointer array. Pointer array. tn. Yeah, I think that's good. Yeah. We can remove the comments here. And then we can also create one to const pointer array. Const const. Yeah, const. I think. Pointer array. Okay, let's see if this will work. Runner. So we put std array named functions 2. Then we call this named functions. Then let's remove these. Then we also have std array this to named function to index map. Also hide these. Then let's see if this works. So named named functions pair would be equals util to const to pointer array. Let's see. And we give it this. And that errors. Yeah, named function pair. Let's see. Okay, that works. And then we can do the same for the const one. Const named functions pair to const pointer array, and that also works. Great. We can hide this, and then we can also do this, this pair util to pointer array named functions. Yeah, this const. Okay, maybe we also rename this to const. Okay. Then we do for size t I equals 0, I smaller than name functions dot size plus plus I. Then we put this here, named functions I Then we can remove this. Name functions pair. Okay, no compile errors by the looks of it. Okay, this also means we can go to Asm Matcher types. You can remove this. Now the question is, do we still need this? Yeah, we still need this. This is special. Okay, let's see if that compiles. No. Build match bundle. Right, I see why. Oops. Pointer to member. What is the problem? Oh, this one down here makes no sense. I think it should be assert false. If we pass the correct named functions, then this should never hit here, right? Like this should always give us a match, because functions with match bundle, let's see, match bundles. Yeah, because the PDB reader should match these things. So it should always find it. Let's leave the assert for now. I think this doesn't hit. Okay, I still don't see the compiler over here. Is matched. Oh, right, it's a function call. Yeah. Oh shit, it compiles. Oof. Well, that was a lot of work. Well, now the question is, does it actually still work? Let's see. So it should look like this, right? Let's see. Let's run it. My suspicion is that it crashes. Yeah. It probably crashes somewhere. Let's see. Yep. We get a hit. Huh. Okay, what is that on? Main.cpp. Okay, I think that's because we didn't build those source lines before. Oh. It's that shit. E9. Source. Main. Yeah, I don't know. This is I mean, it's not really in our control. We take it from the PDB. My hope was that this would always be true. That the lines match well with the address range, but so how long is this? 8.1. So it's 5 bytes. 5 bytes. Ah. I think these E9 thingies, they have duplicates, don't they? Right? How about we ignore those? PDB reader. There is read globals. Let's put a breakpoint here. Read global, read public. So, undecorated name. To me, it indicates that we hit this thing, indicates that we do something wrong here in the PDB reader. Okay, but how about for now? How about for now, we just comment out this assert and look at it. Look at it later. Let's comment it out. Let's put a comment. Investigate. Okay, let's see what crashes next. Okay. Okay. Concurrency BP5 conf. Expected to be listened to. Concurrency. Huh. Well, looks like some things we have expected are not true anymore. Okay. CP files. Okay, well, in that case, let's remove this. Fair enough. Okay. And it looks wrong. Yeah. Actually, wait, what? Okay, I'm confused. Like something is weird here. Yeah, this looks very wrong. Like the addresses are wrong to begin with. Wow. Okay, yeah, we broke this. Yeah. Well, I'm not surprised. We changed a lot. Probably some stupid error somewhere. Yeah. How do we debug this then? This function is really unpleasant. Yeah, we need to closely debug one thing after another and see if they work. And then fix what needs to be fixed. Oh. Okay, I see. This is the first error. Maybe that's all there was to it. Let's see. Oh, another hit. Instruction is empty. Oh boy. What is it? E9, of course. Yeah, I think we need to get rid of these E9 thingies. Okay. Let's comment this out as well for now. Investigate. Let's comment all this shit out. Okay, that ran through, and we are back in business. Yeah. Yeah, looks like we are back in business. Things look good. Yeah. Okay, that's good. Okay. So the refactoring was successful. We need to investigate this thing with the E9 functions. That's fishy. Okay, so what is the advantage now? All this effort. We now have finer control over some things. We have a better separation of functions. I'm not happy with this function. This one is a nightmare. Maybe we can improve it a bit. This function is okay. It just takes a lot of parameters. That's okay. But this one, maybe we should just give it a named functions pair. What do we do inside? Name functions. Well, we never tested this here. For all we know, it could be broken. Name functions, bundles. Matched counts. Can we make this better? What we could do is we could break this into 3 separate functions. Build compilant match, build compilant match bundles, builds match bundle type compilant, builds, yeah, and then here build all, I don't know, match. So this one doesn't take this unmatched functions. Create a single bundle with all functions. Yeah, it would be, I don't have a good idea right now to split this, but it's just, bundles. Okay, let's think about this next session. I think maybe there's something we can further improve here. But other than this, I think the others are quite okay. Sure. What is the execution time now? Roundabout, it was around 4 seconds before. Didn't really measure it. No, it's still around 4 seconds. Yeah, but we do a little bit more work now. So, for example, this is new work. This wasn't done before. Yeah. No, we don't do it because we don't enter here, but we do some extra work here. This is extra work. Yeah. Okay, but I'm already happy that it works in principle. And yeah, next session, let's see if we can improve this a little bit further. We will have to see if the way we have done it now is good enough for UI. I'm not yet 100% sure. We need to see it in practice, but so I expect that we build named functions to begin with for both sides. Then we build the match functions. And then we can build unmatched functions as well. We need to build this for both sides. Then we need to do this wherever we click, whatever we select to draw. So if we click on a single function, it would just disassemble one. Otherwise, a bundle. Yeah. And then source lines. Oh, this does it on all, doesn't it? Source lines. Yeah, this does it on all. So this could be expensive since it does it on really everything. I don't know. Oof. Name functions. Yeah. Okay, I will end it here. I hope you enjoyed. I wish you a great day or night. Until next time, goodbye.